Not only is speech writing important for any executive or any leader, but also learning how to deliver those speeches is equally as important through presentation workshops. So what we can do together is we can do a live in-person or digital workshop, one-on-one or group training with you, your colleagues, your executive team, and we together can develop our messages, develop our keynote speeches, and then we can practice presenting them with each other. We can record it, we can review how we're coming across, and we can develop effective strategies, effective ways, so that anytime we have to give a speech, we can make sure it is crafted in a very compelling way, that it has a beautiful hook, storyline, and a wonderful finishing. So that the next time you speak to your audience afterwards and you hear the feedback, they say, oh, that was amazing. I remember everything you said, and I want to implement anything and everything that you shared with me. Depending on if you're a motivational speaker, you may want them to implement the advice you have, right? Because the results that they get will be testament to your effectiveness as a speaker. If you are speaking to a board or you're speaking to potential investors, you want them to buy into your idea, buy into or invest into the big picture that you have as a leader, as a visionary at your company. So whatever that purpose is, having the skills of public speaking, having the skills of being able to write your speech in advance, either yourself or your team, is going to help you, your team, be as effective as possible and to help you spread your company message, your personal brand's message. If you're interested in that, contact us at mediatrainerpro.com and give us a call.